Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Travel, and today I'm going to take you through ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is basically a AI which can help you to solve your day-to-day life solutions, and maybe you can make money out of it. If you're a developer, you can get your code out of it. If you're a struggler, you can look for the solutions. If you want a software, you can choose for your best software. If you want to go to a destination, you can check your destination. If you want to go for a trip and you want to see which hotel is nice, it can tell you which hotel is nice. It's just like your friend who knows everything. So let me take you through ChatGPT, which is a open artificial intelligence. So for that, let me take you through ChatGPT. For that, just go to Google, just try to write ChatGPT. So I can assure you that ChatGPT will be the future. If you know how to use ChatGPT, you will be awesome. So basically, when people they say not everybody is smart, but ChatGPT can make everybody smart. It's just you need to know how to use ChatGPT properly. So let me take you through how to use ChatGPT, and it will help you out a lot of things. So now here, as you can see, we are in the ChatGPT. So now we're gonna go and click ChatGPT. As you can see, I'm loading ChatGPT. You make sure to log into ChatGPT. You need to have an email. And you see ChatGPT is asking me, verify if you're human. Yes, I'm a human. I'm a human. So as you can see, it is showing you to log in or sign up. It's very simple. You just go and sign up. Okay. So either you can follow the email address. Okay, let me get my email address. I sometimes I forget my emails as I don't really remember what I normally supposed to use. So let me show you. So I can follow this way, or I can directly continue with Google if I already have my email. But let me do through this. So it is 93 gmail.com. Then I do continue. So as you can see, it is telling you to set up your password. So now I'm going to set up my password. Obviously, I'll not tell you my password. You can set yours. I'm joking. Then we click continue. I think now ChatGPT is processing. So let's wait. And this ChatGPT now getting used by a lot of people in this world, and now it is still in its child version. So a lot of people they're trying to interact with it and get something out of it. So sometimes might be you feel like it is slow and all of those things. As you can see now they're telling you to verify in your email. Just go to your Gmail, then just go and verify there, because I think it's a simple process. Then you go and verify your email address. So once you do verify your email address, that means you're verified in the ChatGPT. Let me see why it is taking time for me to verify. Okay. Let's wait a bit. Okay, then it will ask you your first name, last name. Then you choose your country, then you can put your phone number. Then it will prompt to send you a code. So now I'm going to put my code. Let me check my phone to get my code. Okay, once you put the code, that means you are verified and you are ready to use ChatGPT. Okay, so now the ChatGPT is here. So they have different functionality. I also they have an upgraded version which you can take it and maybe you'll pay some amount of money. Still you can make use of the free version. So let's see, like let's take an example, like you see here examples. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. You click, then you enter. And you're gonna see ChatGPT gonna show you. He's gonna write to you and telling you what is quantum computing, how quantum computing works, how you see he's gonna explain you everything. Then you can interact with this ChatGPT. I will show you many different things which can make your life so easy. So if you want, you can stop generating, but if you don't, it can give you all the answers you need. So for me, I'm going to do stop generate. I will create also a new chart. So I will ask him, suggest me a best place to travel where I can have adventures, because I like adventures. So I'm just writing suggest me something. As you can see, once you write, it will tell you which place you can go: Costa Rica, Queenstown, Iceland. As you can see my screen. So this is awesome. So now let me show you the more awesome part of it. This is just like a Google search here, but then it is more powerful than Google search. I'm going to show you from my perspective. Let's see new chart. Hi. Let's wait for him to reply. It seems like, and the more you interact with ChatGPT, the more he will understand you. It's basically artificial intelligence system. So it will learn you through you. So basically it will customize himself for you. So I'm going to ask him, hi, can you write me a simple Java application? So now you're gonna see how to copy a file using Java application. Show me the code. Now you're gonna see, he's gonna write you the code in front of you. You don't need to go to school to learn the code. You don't need to do it. You can study yourself, you can learn yourself from the internet. So that's why I always believe school is just an idea, but the original knowledge comes from your thought process, what you feel, what you like, and all of these things which push you to learn new things. As you can see, like right now, I can the copy code, I can take it and I use it on my way. So it's awesome. So maybe I will take you further more about it, but for now that's what ChatGPT do, and you can use it as much as you can. It gonna help you a lot. When I say lot, I can say lot, but it gonna help you a lot. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment box, and I'll be always there to answer you. So as I told you, my goal is to educate our people, and we get educated together, we contribute to our society together, and we make our society better. Thank you so much. Have a great day.